नमस्कार दोस्तों आप सभी का बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत है आपका अपना चहीता चैनल जिसका नाम है
योगा एंड मच मोर।
राइट, योगा एंड मच मोर। तो दोस्तों आज इस एपिसोड में, इस चैनल के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं योगा फॉर बिगिनर्स सीरीज़ पर पार्ट 4 में। और पार्ट 4 में हम बात करेंगे फ्यू आसनास और सूक्ष्म व्यायाम फॉर योर हेल्दी एल्बो एंड हेल्दी शोल्डर। आपके कंधे के लिए और कोहनियों के लिए कुछ बहुत अच्छे आसन या सरल आसन हम आपको आज बताएंगे।
So friends, if you want to know how to keep your elbows and shoulders fit and fine, then please watch this video till the end. आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखें और अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो तुरंत कर लें and don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all tab also.
Definitely, we'll starting very shortly. तो वीडियो को अंत तक देखना ज़रूरी है दोस्तों। We will start the practice with a prayer. You may also choose a prayer of your choice to better connect with the yoga practice.
सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। शांति शांति शांति।
Now we'll begin the asanas. The first asana is forward elbow bending or kohni naman. For this, remain seated with spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale and then with slow exhalation, stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level with palms facing up. Hold for a few seconds. Now, with slow inhalation, bend the arms at the elbows and touch the fingers to the shoulders. Keep the upper arm parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds. With slow exhalation, straighten the arms forward again. While straightening, feel the stretch on your arms. This is 1 round. Repeat for 10 rounds or more. The next asana is sideways elbow bending. Here, inhale and then with slow exhalation, extend the arms sideways at shoulder level. Hands open and palms facing up. Hold for a few seconds. With slow inhalation, bend the arms at the elbows and touch the fingers to the shoulder. Keep the upper arm parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds. With slow exhalation, again straighten the arms sideways. This is 1 round. Repeat for 10 rounds or more. The third asana is shoulder socket rotation, Skandha Chakra. For this, again remain seated with spine straight, eyes closed. Place your both the hands finger on your both the shoulders. Join the elbows. Slowly, fully rotate both elbows at the same time in large circle. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest on forward movement. Stretch the arms back in the backward movement and touch the sides of the trunk while coming down or up, depending upon clock or anti-clockwise rotation. Practice slowly 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. Remember to inhale on upward stroke and exhale on downward stroke. Keep the awareness on stretching, sensation and the shoulder joint and the breath. Relax. The fourth asana we'll do where both the hands will be extended with stretch upward, straight, fully straight. Yeah. Then come down with a pull. Inhale while going up, exhale while coming down. This can also be done 10 times or more for better benefits. Now, we will close the practice with a mantra chanting. You may also chant a mantra, say a prayer.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Some of the benefits of doing these elbow and shoulder asanas. Number 1, helps in relieving the pressure in cervical spondylitis and frozen shoulder. Number 2, smoothens elbow and shoulder joints. Number 3, helps in upper body relaxation.
So friends, with this we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have found this information useful, then please like and share.
For more such videos, please visit our channel. All the videos you can watch through the link given below. And yeah, from time to time give us your feedback, suggestion, and do inspire us, give us the all good vibes, and stay connected. Signing off now. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
धन्यवाद.